Hey guys, what's going on? I'm so excited to see you again, and I'd like to start this episode with properties I was talking about last week. I choose 3 homes I'm thinking going to be sold this week, and all of those properties already sold. The first property was listed for $595,000 in North Juanita, North Kirkland area. Sold it and was on the market only for 1 day. Second property I was choosing in Rose Hill, Kirkland for $788,000, only was on the market for 2 days. And third property listed for $950,000 was on the market only for 5 days in Bellevue. Those homes are sold. And Seattle Times wrote articles yesterday about Seattle's market, and they're thinking Seattle's market is turning around right now because prices increased $45,000, and it never sees this before for last 6 months. In Seattle's market, condominium prices going down, and real estate market for residential properties went down to over $100,000 within 1 year time frame. But last month, everything's changed, and residential market is come back $45,000. It's a big significant increase, and what we see clearly on the Eastside Market and change, and you guys can see this draft right now. So we have more inventory, like more sales in February than in January, and slightly more inventory, but sales was definitely more. And on the east side we see multiple offer situations back again right now, sometimes from 5 to 6 offer on each property in price range up to $1 million. It's pretty much beaten war is coming back. Let's talk about my favorite listings I'm thinking going to be sold this week. But before, let's roll my intro.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do.
For this week I choose only 2 homes. One property in downtown Kirkland listed for $795,000. It's a 1,400 square feet home on a bigger lot and walking distance to urban development, which is going to be open up in a couple months. Restaurants, very great school district, and very desirable location from many people. I think this home is going to be sold in a few days. And my second favorite home listed in Bellevue for $824,000. This is most colorful house I can say, but this property going to be sold because house is a good size. It's a 2,450 square feet on 15,000 square feet lot. It's a big lot for Bellevue, and I'm seeing this lot and house going to be attract a lot of buyers this week. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for my future videos and make a fantastic week.